Introducing the Sharp XEA213 cash register from shopstuff.co.uk. XEA213 is supplied as standard with a full operator and programming manual. On-site warranty card. This card must be filled out and sent back to Sharp to activate your 12 months on-site warranty. Full set of programming, manager, operator and cash drawer keys. Spool if you're using the machine for journal roll and not receipt roll, and a very small thermal starter till roll. We do advise that you buy at least one box of rolls with the machine to get you going. The XEA213 is exactly the same as the 203, except it has a flat keyboard, meaning it's a hospitality machine. It can be used in the same way as the 203 by using one of the 6 department keys here. These departments are open, so you can put a sale through these for any specific amount. The biggest advantage of this machine is that it has 70 product buttons over here. These can be pre-programmed to a specific price and a specific product. It has a LCD display for the operator, and then also at the back of the machine a full LED customer rear display. It also has a thermal printer which can be set to give receipts out during the day, as the machine has an electronic journal, so in addition to your standard Z report you can also print out a copy of the journal roll at the end of every day. To use the machine, turn the MA key or the operator key round to the reg position, and if you're using it for open sales, type in the amount of the sale and then press one of the department keys. If you're using it preset, you simply press your pre-programmed button and the item name and price is displayed on the screen. Repeat for each item of the sale and then press the ST subtotal button, which will display the total amount of the sale on the screen. Type in the amount of money handed over by the customer and press the TLNS, which is your total button. This will fire the cash drawer and print out a receipt for the customer. The receipt can be turned off and then a post receipt issued if the customer requests a receipt. The amount of change to be given is displayed on the screen. It has a full-size cash drawer with 8 coin trays and 4 note holders. At the close of business, you'll want to do a Z report. Turn the manager key round to the X1 Z1 position, shown here. Then, on the 0 to 9 keypad, press the decimal point button, followed by the TLNS button. This will produce a Z report, which is your daily sales report, showing the total amount of cash taken, and it will also break it down by specific department if necessary. The Sharp XEA213 does not have the facility for cashier interrupt. Cashier interrupt enables one operator to log onto the machine and to open a sale and then move away from the till and let someone else log on and put through a different sale. If you need this feature, you need to look at a machine like the SAM4S ER5200M, which along with the XEA213 and all sundries can be found on our website shopstuff.co.uk. To change a product price or description on the Sharp XEA213 cash register, simply put the manager key into the key lock, then turn round to the PGM position, press the product you wish to change, in this case chip butty, press the 00 button. You can then, using the QWERTY keyboard underneath the cash register main keyboard, you can change the product description. In this occasion we're keeping it with chip butty. Press the ST to save what you've done, and then to type in the price, simply without pressing the decimal point key, type in the new price, then press the ST button followed by TLNS. A receipt will print out confirming the price change, and then when you turn the key back round to the reg position, you'll see that the price of the product has changed from £1.60 to £2.80. Cash the sale off and the till is ready to reuse.